Hello, today I will guide you on how to change Wi-Fi roaming sensitivity or aggressiveness in Windows. Roaming sensitivity determines how quickly your device switches between different Wi-Fi access points. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Click on the search icon in the taskbar, type Device Manager, and click the best result. In Device Manager, double-click on Network Adapters to expand it. Step 2. Adjust Wi-Fi roaming sensitivity. Find your wireless network adapter in the list, right-click and select Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. In the left list, look for Roaming Aggressiveness. Select it, then choose a value between 1 to 5 from the drop-down on the right. Lowest device rarely switches to another access point. Medium-low roaming only when signal is weak. Medium balanced roaming and performance. Medium-high roaming happens more frequently. Highest device actively switches to the best signal. Once done, click OK to apply the changes. This setting is useful if you move around in areas with multiple access points. Some Wi-Fi adapters may not support this option. That's all. You've successfully changed the Wi-Fi roaming aggressiveness on your Windows device. We hope this helps improve your wireless connection. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.